Mr. Rouhani, Your Excellency Deputy Director General NGIDA, Your Excellency Ambassador Maud Zulkifli, also your colleague, but I did not know him, excuse me, Ambassador of Malaysia in Paris, dear Victoria, President of Power of Love. For many reasons, you made a superb decision to select autism, art, UNESCO and Paris for this bilateral and multilateral most important Malaysian-French event. It follows the exhibition Art and Autism, organized last month in the United States of America by the Ohio State University. And it precedes the meetings about the same topic I am invited to chair in Xi'an, China, and in Xiamen, China next March 2016. Autism can be an advantage in some spheres, including science. Many autistic colleagues contribute to science because of their autism, and not in spite of their autism. I am sure that the evolution of the human species will greatly benefit from the specific power of autism. Know that their gifts are better recognized in science and better integrated in the human community, more and more in more and more countries. So Malaysia has been visionary to engage into that. And I am extremely interested having been in charge of the national program, the national recommendations of the French Haute Autorité de Santé, governmental agency in France, and being now chairing a European committee to compare the national plans in European countries. We shall enjoy very much exchanges with your country, if you wish, if you are interested with this bilateral of mutual interest collaborations. Until very recently, most autistic persons faced the harsh consequences of living in a world that has not been constructed around their priorities and interests, but it will change. And the event of today is a good example. The power of autism in science and technology emerged since a dozen of years, more or less. The power of autism in art has been discovered much more recently. Firstly, as a significant component of the art brut, a term adapted in English by art critic Roger Cardinal under the words outsider art. Later, the autistic impressionism and the synesthesias have been recognized and celebrated in artistic production by autistic artists. Well above, this year, 2015, this year, in an enormously organized competitions of contemporary non-figurative paintings, autistic artists were among the first winners when the judges of the competition did not know at all that autist artists were among the competition. It's a very crucial new discovery that. You surely know that Michael Jackson, Stephen Wilshire as examples, and many scientists are autists. You will discover soon that autistic artists are among the best contemporary painters. We have to understand that autists have a quite significant position among the best artists we have to mix them in the artistic competition, because the stamp autism could be sometimes interesting, but sometimes not an advantage. Better to include them in the whole movement of art also. We have to mix them in the artistic competition without autistic stamp all the time, and without reference to an exceptional or special or pathological character. They are equal human beings. Many of them enjoy special gifts. As you know, many autists have problems of communication, suggesting difficulties of empathy, or at least difficulties of expression of empathy. Maybe only expression, and not really lack of empathy, but expression of empathy. In this respect, Mrs. Victoria Renaud and her association demonstrated that a shared artistic activity is a superb tool for communication when the power of love meets the power of autism. I shall conclude confirming my invitation to the Malaysian government and to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization to join our European efforts to support autistic persons. The Haute Autorité de Santé, the French governmental agency of evaluation, I chair the autism committee in this national organization, the National Institute for Health Care and Excellence, NICE, from the United Kingdom, and the Centre Fédéral d'Expertise des Soins de Santé, Federal Center of Expertise of Healthcare, KCE, the Belgian governmental organization, produced remarkable national recommendation for autism. I chair now a European comparative research about this recommendation, and we shall greatly benefit from a partnership of mutual interest about autism with Malaysia and with UNESCO. Your Excellency Minister Rohani, Your Excellency Deputy Director General NGIDA, Your Excellency Ambassador Maud Zulkifli, Your Excellency Ambassador in Paris, dear Victoria, President of Power of Love, it is for me a great honor and pleasure to be with you today.